Considering custom cabinets from China, enjoy European level design at just 65% of the price. Allure, 18 years of premium custom cabinetry, 2 large showrooms filled with one-size design inspiration. Immerse yourself in the space, feel, explore, and design. Across 8 major cities in Australia, we transform every inch with expert designs, crafting an elegant, elevated living experience. Thousands of premium materials curated for your unique taste. We offer free samples and exclusive colors for the Australian market, including high-end melamine, veneer, quartz, marble, sinter stone, and more. Just see exactly what you get, giving you a complete peace of mind. From layout to materials, from functions to aesthetics, every detail thoughtfully crafted, tailored space from the Australian way of living. Every cabinet set strictly inspected, pre-assembled for a perfect fit. Door-to-door logistics with secure export packaging, delivered right to your doorstep. Enjoy a worry-free ordering experience from abroad. Detailed installation guides, one-on-one online support, on-site installation if needed. We match your design expectations while controlling every detail with precision. Bring life to the heart of your home. Send us your drawings now. Get a tailored pro, receive your personalized design solution.